How to compare income and expenses on Spendee. Our guest facing issues to compare expenses and income on Spendee application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Spendee app on your mobile device. Once you open the Spendee app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this wallet icon. Click on it. After you click on it, now tap on your wallet name. As soon as you click on it, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for wallet overview. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see the option for categories over here. If you click on income, your income will be shown, and if you click on expenses, your expenses will be shown. From here, you can compare your income and expenses. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to compare income and expenses on its Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.